Hello friends, today we are going to start physics and the first chapter we are taking is optics. As you know, optics is the one of the oldest branches of the physics. It is as old as mechanics. So today we'll study this topic optics. This is broadly divided into two parts. First is ray optics and second is wave optics. Since we know that light has dual nature means sometimes it behaves as particle and sometimes it behaves as wave. So it has dual nature. And due to the dual nature, the optics is broadly divided into two parts, that is wave and ray. So in the first topic, we will confine our syllabus on this particular topic, that is ray optics. And after having mastery in this topic, we will move into wave optics. So first of all, we'll study ray optics. Ray means it is suggesting that light as a ray. Since light follow a rectilinear path, that means a linear path, straight line path, isn't it? So that its propagation is रेक्टिलिनियर प्रोपगेशन, मतलब एक ही लाइन में, एक ही स्ट्रेट लाइन में ये प्रोपगेट करती है. And the number of rays, more precisely, the number of rays are called as beam of light or light beam, right? So the first thing in this ray optics we have to study is laws of reflection. Laws of reflection you have already studied in class 10th. So we'll study laws of reflection here also, but the application of laws of reflection is far more broader than that of 10th class. So we'll first study the laws of reflection. And the very first point about the laws of reflection is it is valid for all type of mirrors. When I say all type of mirrors, that means it can be plane mirror, spherical mirror, parabolic mirror, or any other type of mirror. So saying here curved means it could be spherical mirror, or it could be parabolic mirror. Or any other type of mirror. We'll study this spherical mirror and parabolic mirror in broader detail in upcoming videos. So, after learning this first point that the law of reflection is valid for any type of mirror, we'll first see what is this law is. So I have taken a plane mirror. You all know that we can represent plane mirror as this. This is M and M dash. This is representing, this particular line is representing a plane mirror. And this dotted lines are representing that this mirror is painted over here. And this reflecting surface is of silver bromide. So this upper surface is reflecting surface, but this is opaque surface. This is not reflecting surface because I have painted here. So upper surface is reflecting surface, but lower surface is not reflecting surface because we have only two sides of plane mirror. This one is reflecting when I painted this surface, then this is not reflecting, only this surface can reflect rays, right? So now let's come here. This particular figure represents laws of reflection, and I will say you each and every point regarding this reflection. Suppose from a medium, this medium can be air, water, anything. From a medium, a ray is incidenting at a particular point. That point is named as O. And a ray from one medium coming to the mirror and striking here, that particular point is known as O. I have named here. You can know it. You can name it as B, C, D, whatever you want. It is up to you. So this is incident ray. Incident ray is coming and striking over here on the mirror. This particular point is known as point of incidence, and I have named it as O. And the name of this ray is incident ray. Means this particular ray which is coming from a medium and striking over the mirror is known as incident ray, that is AO. AO ray is known as incident ray. Next, incident ray is coming and striking on mirror on point O. That point O is called as point of incident. And after striking here, this ray reflect back to the same same medium. After striking here, this particular ray reflecting back to the same medium, and OB is known as reflected ray. Right? Now you can see here, this particular point of mirror has a normal. Normal means making 90 degree with the mirror or with the plane. Right? So you can easily see here, this ray is making an angle I with the normal. Means incident ray making an angle I with the normal, and after striking here, it reflects back to the same medium and making an angle R with normal. So incident ray making an angle I with normal, and reflected ray is making an angle R with reflected ray. Right? Normal is making an angle R with reflected ray. We can say in either way, right? Once again, listen. Incident angle making an angle I with normal. Reflected ray making an angle R with normal. When a light coming from one medium striking on the mirror and reflected back to the same medium, by following some rules, it is following some rules and then going back to the same medium. These rules and these laws are known as laws of reflection. When an incident light, when an incident ray strikes on the mirror and reflect back to the same medium, obeying some laws, that laws are known as laws of reflection. So here, what are these laws which these rays are following? वो कौन से नियम कानून हैं जो ये rays follow कर रही हैं? The first law is angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. Means this angle I am saying incidence angle, as I have earlier said, and this angle is reflected angle. And from the laws of reflection, these both angles are same, means angle I is equals to angle R, right? And the second law of reflection is incident ray, reflected ray and point of incident are coplanar, means that they lie in the same plane. Means this incident ray and this reflected ray lie and the point of incident lie in the same plane. Means if you draw this image, if you draw this photo in your copy, if you draw this photo on your copy, no ray will come outside of your photo, outside of your copy. Suppose this is your paper, and if you are drawing, then this ray, this ray is incident ray, this ray is reflected ray. No ray will come out of the plane. Are you getting my point? No ray will coming out of the plane. Every ray is in the plane. So all the laws are verified by this particular image, this particular photo, and these all laws are angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection, incident ray, reflected ray and point of incident are coplanar, that means they lie in the same plane. There are only two laws in the laws of reflection, and these both laws are here only. And for the board exam point of view, you have to learn this concept, that is reflection through plane mirror, right? We'll continue. Thank you.